Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the best tools for productivity and success. Today, we're exploring a game changer in project management and team collaboration, Monday.com. If you're looking for a way to streamline your work, boost team collaboration, and manage projects with ease, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about Monday.com, its features, benefits, and how it can transform your workflow. Let's start with the basics. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to build their own workflow apps. Imagine having one place where you can plan projects, track progress, and even automate routine tasks. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Monday.com adapts to your needs. Why choose Monday.com over other project management tools? Here are 3 key reasons. 1. Customization. Monday.com offers fully customizable boards and workflows, meaning you can tailor every aspect of your project management process to fit your team's unique style. 2. User-friendly interface. The intuitive, visually appealing interface makes it super easy to navigate. No steep learning curves here, just drag, drop, and organize. 3. Collaboration and communication. It's designed for collaboration. Share files, leave updates, and integrate with your favorite apps like Slack, Google Drive, and even Zoom. This keeps everyone on the same page and makes remote teamwork a breeze. From marketing teams managing campaigns, to IT departments tracking software releases, to HR departments streamlining recruitment, the flexibility of Monday.com means it's useful for any industry. Let's take a closer look at some features that make this tool stand out. Key features of Monday.com. Custom boards and dashboards. Visualize your projects with customizable boards that give you a bird's-eye view of tasks, deadlines, and progress. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks with ease. Set triggers, assign tasks, and receive notifications, all without manual intervention. Time tracking. Keep track of how long tasks take with built-in time tracking, helping you optimize productivity and meet deadlines more effectively. Integrations. Seamlessly connect with other tools you already use. Whether it's syncing with your calendar or connecting to your CRM, Monday.com helps keep all your work in one place. Collaboration tools. Comment directly on tasks, attach files, and mention teammates, ensuring that everyone stays in the loop. What's really impressive is how Monday.com empowers you to build workflows that are as simple or as complex as you need them to be. The flexibility is a big reason why so many teams around the world trust Monday.com to keep their projects on track. Not only is Monday.com visually stunning, but it's also built with performance in mind. Whether you're managing a single project or juggling multiple initiatives, its robust infrastructure keeps everything running smoothly. So, whether you're a project manager looking to streamline operations, a team leader aiming for better collaboration, or simply someone who loves organization, Monday.com might just be the tool you need to take your work to the next level. If you're curious to see Monday.com in action, check out the link in the description for a free trial and more detailed walkthroughs. And if you enjoyed this introduction, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, stay productive, and we'll see you in the next video.